Hey, I have a really quick video for you today, one that I think many of you may find extremely useful. If you have a name that is difficult to pronounce or you know other people are struggling pronouncing it. And for example, my name, Benoist, I have heard so many different versions of that, yet to me it seems very easy to pronounce. It's essentially pronounced exactly the way it's spelled, but I have had people struggle with this. So if you are in career transition, you're looking for another job, LinkedIn has a cool little feature where you can audio record your name and put that little file right next to your profile photo. So if somebody is looking at your profile photo, a recruiter, and they're wondering, how do I pronounce that name, Bill? They can actually click on the little speaker icon and listen to exactly how that name is pronounced. And I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Bill Benoist. I'm a certified professional career coach here in Silicon Valley. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, make sure that you do so, as I do upload career tips and strategies just like this one every Tuesday. All right, let's begin. All right, so you notice that I'm currently on my mobile device. This will work either with an iOS or an Android. You cannot, however, configure the audio recording using your desktop. You have to use the LinkedIn mobile app. So let me show you how this is done. You will have to download the LinkedIn mobile app, but once you have it downloaded, you're going to go ahead and open it up. Here I have it right there, and this will go ahead and come up. What I'm going to do is I am going to click on my home here, and I'm going to go directly up to the little icon of myself in the upper left hand corner. I'm going to click on that. So when I click on that, you see that up along the top there's view and there's settings. I'm going to click on view. This kind of puts me into like an edit mode, and so I'm going to click on the little pencil right next to the gold icon IN that signals that I have the premium edition of LinkedIn. You can do this with the free version too, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and click on the pencil, and you'll see right there about the middle of the screen, add name pronunciation. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I have about 10 seconds to record my name. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hold down the microphone button, and I'm going to say my name. Bill Benoist. I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to hit save. Don't forget to hit save. And it's saving, and this is all done. In fact, you see the little speaker icon right there next to my name. But let me just show you something. I'm going to go into the LinkedIn application. Okay, so now I'm back on my desktop. Let me go ahead and bring up LinkedIn and go into my profile right here. And you'll see there's now a speaker icon right next to my name. I'm going to click on this. Hopefully you will hear this. Bill Benoist. And there you go. It's as simple as that.